For decades, the Armstrong Drywall Grid System has been helping contractors bid, frame, and finish drywall projects on time, on budget, and on the mark. It's up to 3 times faster than traditional framing methods and can service all your drywall sealing needs on a project, from flat and curved ceilings to corridors, soffits, clouds, and transitions. Our suspended drywall grid solutions help tackle all drywall sealing challenges. This is why our drywall grid system is now called FRAMEALL Drywall Grid. The FRAMEALL Drywall Grid family of products include proven framing solutions contractors have trusted for years. Solutions like the 6-foot cross tee, short span, simple curve, cam, simple soffit, and stucco grid, plus radius and angle clips to efficiently bring project designs to reality. The whole FRAMEALL family helps save time while improving productivity with premium performance features. FRAMEALL Drywall Grid cross tees now have knurled ridges along the length of the cross tee. This new feature improves the screw grab, which reduces screw spin out during board application. Along with improved handling, the knurled ridges are proven to stiffen the tees, resulting in improved handling during installation, which speeds up framing time. Additionally, when screwing tee to tee, you'll find you don't need to C-clamp the tees together for a clean screw grab through both tees. These ridges definitely facilitate easy screw installation through both tees. Knurled ridges still incorporate our popular screw stop hem, which keeps screws in their lane instead of veering off the edge of a tee. Combined with our XL stab in detail and the peak form profile, Armstrong's FRAMEALL Drywall Grid cross tees with knurled ridges provide a performance advantage, enabling the contractor to work faster, easier, and better.